back to my channel Study Point. If you are new to our channel, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. In today's video lecture, we study the SSC board question bank, maths 1 part, that is algebra, first chapter, linear equation in two variable solutions. It is very important to board point of view, so we solve all the question in this question bank. First we start with the first chapter, that is linear equation in two variables. We see the first question, friends, that is MCQ, carry 1 mark. First question is to draw the graph of 4x plus 5y equals to 19. If x is equals to 1 is taken, then what will be the value of y? Options are 4, 3, 2, minus 3. First of all, write down the equation as it is 4x plus 5y equals to 19. If x is equals to 1 means substitute the value of x in the equation. While we substituting the value of x, 4 into 1 is 4 plus 5y equals to 19. 5y equals to 19. 5y equals to 19 minus 4 plus 4 becomes minus 4. 5y equals to 19 minus 4, 15. Y equals to 15 by 5. 5 3s are 15. Therefore, the correct answer is B, that is 3. Now see friends, second question. For the equation with variable x and y, if dx is equals to 26, dy equals to minus 39 and d equals to 13, then what will be the value of x? Options are 2, minus 3, minus 2, 3. Dx is given, dy is given and d is given. We know the formula of x, that is dx by d. We know the value of dx and we know the value of d, that is 26 and 13. Now apply the formula, x is equals to dx by d. Dx is 26 and d is 13. Therefore 13 2s are 26. Answer is 2. Therefore our correct option is 2. Now see friend, third question. Which of the following is linear equation in two variable? First of all, we see the options. X by 3 plus 5 by y equals to 6. Second option is 2x square minus 3y equals to 8 minus 3y. Third option is x plus 2y equals to 5 minus 3y. And fourth option is 3x square plus y. B and D options are eliminated because the highest order is 2. Therefore, they are not the solution. Correct answer is C, that is x plus 2y equals to 5 minus 3y. Now see fourth question, that is which of the following is not the solution of 3x plus 6y equals to 12? Options are minus 4, 4, 0, 2, 8, minus 2 and third option is 3, 1. Means these values are satisfy the equation. We check friends, that is 3x plus 6y equals to 12. While we substituting 3, 1 in place of x and y, that is 3 into 3 9, 6 into 1 6, 9 plus 6 is 15, which is not equal to 12. Therefore, this is not the solution of 3x plus 6y equals to 12. Now we start with fifth question, that is given matrix 3, 2, 5, x equals to 2 and we have to find the value of x. Options are 3, 4, minus 3 and minus 4. First of all, write down the matrix as it is. 3, 2, 5x is equals to 2. Then multiply, cross multiplication friends, 3x minus 5 into 2, that is 10 equals to 2. This minus 10 becomes plus 10 and it getting 12. 3x is equals to 12. X is equals to 12 by 3, that is x is equals to 4. Therefore the correct answer is option B. Now start with sixth question, that is for equation 5x plus 3y plus 11 equals to 0 and 2x plus 4y equals to minus 10, find D. Options are 14, minus 14, 26 and minus 26. First of all, write down the equation in proper manner, that is 5x plus 3y equals to minus 11, equation number 1. 2x plus 4y equals to minus 10, that is equation number 2. We know the formula of D, that is in case of D, write down only x and y. Coefficient of x and y, that is 5, 3, 2, 4. We write down the coefficient in matrix format, that is 5, 3, 2, 4 and now cross multiply the coefficient, that is 5 into 4, that is 20, minus 2 into 3 6, 20 minus 6 14. Therefore the correct answer is option A. Now friend, we see the next question. If 49x minus 57y equals to 172 and 57x minus 49y equals to 252, then x plus y equals to how much? Options are 80, 0, 10 and 8. Solution is, write down the equation 49x minus 57y equals to 172, that is equation number 1, and 57x minus 49y equals to 252, that is equation number 2. Subtract equation 1 and 2, we getting the value of x plus y. Subtract, change the value, change the sign, plus becomes minus, minus become plus, and plus become minus. Therefore minus 57 plus 49, we getting minus 8x, minus 57y plus 49y, minus 8y, minus 252 plus 172, we getting the value is minus 80. Therefore we change all the signs, minus become plus, and minus become plus. Therefore 8x plus 8y equals to 80. Dividing throughout by 8, we getting the value of x plus y, that is 10. Therefore the correct answer is option C. Now we see the 8th question, that is the solution of the equation 2x minus y equals to 2 is how much? Options are 2, 2, 5, 2, 2, 5 and 5, 5. Means which of these option is satisfy this equation, that is 2x minus y equals to 2. We substituting the first option, that is 2, 2, x is 2 and y is 2. 2 into 2, value of x is 2 is given, y value of y is given, that is 2. 2 into 2, 4, minus 2, 4 minus 2 is 2. Therefore this option is satisfy the equation. Therefore the correct answer is option A, that is 2, 2. Now friend, we see the 9th question. The solution of the equation x minus y equals to 10 and x plus y equals to 70 is how much? Options are 40, 30, 30, 40, 10, 60 and 50, 20. First of all, write down the equation as it is, x minus y equals to 10, equation number 1, and write down second equation as x plus y equals to 70, equation number 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2, we get, while adding, minus y plus y cancel, x plus x 2x, 10 plus 70 80, because we are doing addition here. Therefore 80, x is equals to 80 by 2, that is 40. Therefore the correct answer is x is 40. Okay, now we have to find y also. Now substitute this value of x in equation 2. We substituting the value of x into, therefore x plus y equals to 70, x is 40 plus y equals to 70, y equals to 70 minus 40, this plus 40 becomes minus, and 70 minus 40, we getting the value is 30. Therefore the value of y is 30. Therefore x is 40 and y is 30. The option A is our answer. We see the last question of our first question MCQ, that is find the value of dx for the equation 4x plus 3y equals to 19 and 4x minus 3y equals to minus 11. We have to find the value of dx. Okay friends, options are 24, 0, minus 24 and 108. Now friends, write down equation as it is, 4x plus 3y equals to 19, 4x minus 3y equals to minus 11. Then friends, write down in matrix format. We know the formula of dx. Write down y and c. But first write down c and then write down the coefficient of y. That is 19, 3, minus 11 and minus 3. Now cross multiplication friends, that is 19 into minus 3 minus 11 into 3. 19 into minus 3 is minus 57 and minus 11 into 3 minus become plus. 11 into 3 33. Therefore minus 57 plus 33 is minus 24. Therefore correct answer is C option, that is minus 24. Okay friends, we start with our question number 1b of 1 mark. First question is, state with reason whether the equation 3x square minus 7y equals to 13 is a linear equation with two variables. Okay friends, in this equation 3x square minus 7y equals to 13, the highest degree is 2. Therefore it is not a linear equation because its degree is 2. Okay, second question is, show the condition using variable x and y, two numbers differ by 3. Okay friends, we are giving the two variable, that is x and y, and we have to write down that two number differ by 3. Differ means minus, therefore we write down let the two numbers be x and y respectively. Differ means minus, therefore we write down as x minus y equals to 3. The third question is, for the equation 4x plus 5y equals to 20, find y when x is equals to 0. We know that we have to write down the first equation as it is 4x plus 5y equals to 20, x is equals to 0. Therefore substitute the value of x is equals to 0 in the equation. We get 4 into 0 plus 5y equals to 20. 4 into 0 0, 5y equals to 20, y equals to 20 by 5, 5 4s are 20, therefore the value of the y is 4. Okay, now fourth question friends, that is write any two solution of the equation x plus y equals to 7. Okay, we have to write any two solution. If we take first x as 3, y as 4, we get x plus y equals to 3, 4, 3 plus 4 equals to 7, means LHS equals to RHS. Therefore the first solution is 3 comma 4. Our x is 4 and y is, our x is 3 and y is 4. Okay, then take x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 2, we get x plus 4 equals to 5 plus 2 equals to 7, and second solution is 5 comma 7. Therefore the two solution of the equations are 3 comma 4 and 5 comma 7. Okay, fifth question, decide whether 0 comma 2 is the solution of the equation 5x plus 3y equals to 6. Okay, in this question we have to identify that this is the solution of the equation or not. Okay, first of all, the value of the x is 0 and y is 2. We substitute the value of the x and y in the equation and check it is equal to 6 or not. 5x plus 3y equals to 6. Substitute x is equals to 0, y equals to 2 in the equation that is given. Therefore 5 into 0 plus 3 into 2, 5 into 0, 0, 3 into 2, 6, which is equals to 6, means LHS equals to RHS. Therefore 0 comma 2 is the solution of the equation 5x plus 3y. Okay, now see the sixth question, that is write any two solution of the equation a minus b equals to minus 3. We have to write any two solution of the equation. First we take a as 4 and b as 7, we get a minus b, that is 4 minus 7 equals to minus 3. Therefore the first solution is 4 comma 7. Take a as 7 and b as 10, therefore a minus b equals to 7 minus 10, that is equals to minus 3. Therefore the second solution is 7 comma 10. The solution of the equation a minus b equals to minus 3 are 4 comma 7 and 7 comma 10 respectively. Okay, now friends, seventh question is, if x plus 2y equals to 5 and 2x plus y equals to 7, then find the value of x plus y. Okay, write down first equation as it is x plus 2y equals to 5, 2x plus y equals to 7. I mark as equation 1 and it is equation 2. Therefore adding equation 1 and 2, we get add first equation and second equation. X plus 2x is 3x, 2y plus y is 3y, 5 plus 7 is 12. Therefore dividing throughout this equation by 3, we get x plus y equals to 4. Therefore the value of the x plus y is 4. Now 8th question, if dx is equals to 24 and x is equals to minus 3, then find value of d. Solution is, we know the formula of x, that is dx by d. We know the value of dx and x, we have to find the value of d. Now substitute the value of dx and x. Dx value is 24, x value is minus 3. Therefore d is equals to 24 by minus 3. Therefore 3 8s are 24 and minus sign as it is. Therefore d is equals to minus 8. Okay friend, we see the last two sums of our 1 mark questions. The ninth sum is, the cost of the book is 5 rupees more than twice the cost of pen. Show that using linear equation by taking cost of book as x and cost of pen as y. Okay, we know that the book cost be x and cost of pen be y. Now friends, if book cost is x, then the cost of the book is 5 rupees more than twice the cost of pen. Twice the cost of pen means twice the y, that is 2y, and 5 rupees more means plus and 5 as it is. Therefore x is equals to 2y plus 5 in equation form. When 2y getting there becomes minus, therefore x minus 2y equals to 5. This is our equation. Okay, now friend, last question of our 1 mark questions, that if a by 4 plus b by 3 equals to 4, write the equation in standard form. Multiply these 3 with this a, multiply 4 with b, and multiply this 4 into 3, that is 12, 4. Therefore we get a 3a plus 4b by 12 equals to 4. 3a plus 4b equals to 12 into 4, that is 48. The normal form, that is standard form of the equation, is 3a plus 4b equals to 48. Okay friends, now we finish with our 1 mark question of chapter linear equation in two variables. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share.